Hello, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just come in today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent right now. This is 51 Catharine Street, Unit 1, and this is a 2-bed, 1-bath on the first floor in Worcester, Mass. And I just want to start off by showing you what it looks like when you come in through the front here. So that's the front door, front hallway to the common area. And once you get inside, you're kind of greeted with this very nice square room with 4 large windows, kind of letting a lot of light in. You kind of see this throughout the apartment. Lots of good space, good light. And also just all the finishes in here look really, really good. You know, this place was renovated not too long ago, so a lot of it's very updated fixtures, everything like that you might want in an apartment. And so I'm just gonna kind of do my best to go around, give you the general idea of the size of this place and maybe see what kind of stuff that you could fit. So this is the living room. In here, I would say you could easily fit a sectional couch plus an entertainment system, coffee table, just general stuff. It's a pretty spacious living room. Then you come in here and this is the kind of the rest of the apartment. So from the kitchen, you can access all the other rooms. There's a little closet, but it's really just mainly for the pipes. More options for storage as you go through. But you can see 2 bedrooms over there, a bathroom, there's a little pantry, and then a mud room that goes out to the back exit. And this is what it looks like in here. So you get the stainless steel stainless steel fridge, stove, range hood, adjustable fan speeds, and all that. And so it's really nice, nice and clean. Whole apartment nice and clean. And you can see the radiator, so it's steam heat. It's pretty efficient, controlled by the thermostat. And nice vinyl floors. So it's got the darker wood vinyls. It actually looks really good, a lot better than when the vinyl's a little bit lighter. This is kind of a darker vinyl, which goes well with all the other stuff in here. So general pan around the room. Take a look at this pantry. And so when you come in here, you're going to see the Granite-Style countertops as well. So same kind of quality of materials and extra options for storage space. Also the kitchen sink is over here too, stainless steel kitchen sink. Very, very nice. It has its own GFCI outlet over there too. All right, and then here's the exit. Coat hangers on the wall, plenty of coats for the winter. You can put a big mud mat down here. Come wipe your shoes, everything before you come inside. Really, really nice. Let's take a look at bedroom number 1. So this is bedroom number 1. It's got nice like finish on the floors. Like the floors don't feel super kind of rough. It's mainly just because they're inherited. So these are the hardwoods that have been here for a while. And very clean, very smooth. Kind of gives it a pretty nice aesthetic, a little bit of character. You look at this bedroom here, it's also very big, probably as big as the living room. Easily a king or a queen size bed could fit through this. Would also be really easy to move because it's a first floor unit. And it's got 2 closets, Jack and Jill dual closets. So they start here and they go into the wall. So they kind of meet in the middle, so you can picture the same amount of space on the other side. Plenty of space for even 2 individuals sharing this room to have their own full closet, which is, really great to see. Radiators in the room as well. Just adding a little bit of extra straight delivery for that heat. Oh, here's the hookups for the washer and dryer machines. So it's got the plug for the electric machine, all the pipes and everything to vent out. Very nice to see there. Over here, you got the bathroom. So this is it. So you have the kind of everything you need for a full bath, shower with the tub, and a medicine cabinet with the mirror. So that is the whole bathroom. Very cool. This is the 2nd bedroom. So out of the 2 bedrooms, this is number 2. And the other one had Jack and Jill closets, and then this one does not. It's also a little bit smaller than the other room, so just to give you an idea of the size. But even though it doesn't have Jack and Jill closets, it almost has a walk-in closet, because you can walk in this closet, and there's space to put everything there. So very, very nice options for the rooms. You know, if you live with more than one person, it's a 2-bedroom. Makes it very easy to figure out which bedroom is going to be for who, because, you know, it's going to work out better for people based on their kind of like different needs of space and what they have to put in. So really cool to see this bedroom as well. And yeah, that is pretty much it. That was 51 Catharine Street, Unit 1 in Worcester. And if you want to see a full list of our vacancies, you can go to Nexus, WOR.com, and go to our for rent page, set something up with a leasing agent today. And once again, this has been Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.